Now I shall start exercise 12.2 question number 7. Listen to the question. A chord of a circle of radius 12 centimeter subtends an angle of 120 degree at the center of the circle. Then find the area of the segment of the circle. Now look the figure. This is the circle, O is the center, OA and OB are the radii. Angle AOB equal to theta, that is angle of the sector is 120 degree. This portion, this shaded portion is the segment or minor segment. That is the region between the chord and the arc. Now area of the segment, that is minor segment, is area of the sector minus area of the triangle AOB. Now put the values. Theta by 360 into pi r square minus half r square sin theta. So 120 by 360 into 3.14 into 12 into 12 minus half into 12 into 12 into sin 120 degree. Now after calculation, 1 by 3 into 3.14 into 12 into 12 minus 6 into 12 into root 3 by 2. That is the value of sin 120 degree. Okay. And here 2 6 are 12. Now 3.14 into 4 into 12 minus 3 into 12 into 1.73. The value of root 3 is 1.73. It is given. Now after multiplication you will get 150.72 minus 62.28, and then after subtraction 88.44 centimeter square answer. Okay. Now next question. A horse is tied at one corner of a square field of side 15 centimeter by a rope of 5 meter. Then first question, find the area of the field which horse can graze. Now if the length of the rope is increased from 5 meter to 10 meter, then how much increased area, how much increased grazing area. Okay. Now you have to use pi equal to 3.14. Now look the figure. ABCD is the square field. A horse is tied at one corner of the square field. Now this portion, this the sector, it is the grazing area by the rope of 5 meter. Show of the sector theta equal to 90 degree, since each angle of a square is 90 degree, and r equal to 5 meter, that is the length of the rope. So area of the grazing part equal to theta by 360 into pi r square. So 90 by 360 into 3.14 into 5 into 5 meter square. 90 4 is 360, so it is 1 by 4 into 3.14 into 5 into 5, 25. So after calculation, 25 4 is 100, and so 314 by 4 4 is 16. And after division, it is 19.625 meter square. Now next part of the question, this is the figure. Now this is the area when the rope is 5 meter length, and this is the area of the sector when the rope is 10 meter length. Okay. So there are two sectors, smaller sector and greater sector. Of the smaller sector, radius is 5 meter, and of the greater sector, radius is 10 meter. Now look, of the smaller sector, radius smaller is 5 meter, and of the bigger sector, radius capital R is 10 meter. So increased grazing area equal to area of the bigger sector minus area of the smaller sector. So 90 by 360 into pi capital R square minus 90 by 360 into pi small r square. Here 90 by 360 is 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 pi is common. So in bracket you write capital R square minus small r square meter square. So 1 by 4 into 3.14 into 10 square minus 5 square. So 1 by 4 into 3.14 in bracket 100 minus 25, that is 75. And after calculation we will get 1.57 into 75 by 2, that is 117.75 by 2, that is 58.875 meter square. It is the increased grazing area. Okay.